Bacterial growth curve. This is a 5-mark question in most of the universities for undergraduate students. So let's earn those 5 marks. So in a bacterium, you inoculate a bacterium in a liquid medium and try to see the growth. That growth can be plotted in 4 phases. This is what we call as a bacterial growth curve. So the 4 phases, you have a lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and phase of decline. So in the first phase, as soon as you add the bacteria into the liquid culture medium, it will stay for some time without much of a multiplication. It will take up all the nutrients in that particular media. They will grow in size and they will prepare themselves for the next phase, which is a log phase. So in the log phase, what happens? You have this bacteria dividing in an exponential manner. The bacteria will be smaller in size, they are biochemically active, and they'll be uniformly stained because they have all the nutrients and they are multiplying continuously. This is followed by a stationary phase where there is a balance between the number of viable cells and the number of cells which have somewhat completed their life and are vanishing. Secondly, the nutrients will be coming down in the quantity also. So the bacterium will become gram variable. You will see some storage granules, and you can also see sporulation in this phase. And this bacteria will produce exotoxins, antibiotics, and bacteriocins. The last phase is the phase of decline, where this bacteria will stop dividing completely, and slowly the bacterial numbers will come down. That is the viable count, means the live bacteria will come down. The total count will still be higher because the dead bacteria will be there in the medium itself. You can also see some involutionary forms there. Okay, so this is about the bacterial growth curve. So please go through this particular video. It's a assured 5-mark question in 2 minutes. Thank you.